Dear aspirants, welcome to my channel. Remaining part C, remaining question, model question paper 3. So define the following term: RL, benchmark, BS and FS. RL nothing but reduced level. So this level we are going to take in relative elevation. It is a reference benchmark that we call it as a mean sea level. It is a represent the height above or below the datum. Whenever we are going to start a surveying, we have to know the reference elevation point that we call it as a benchmark. That is a known elevation, nothing but elevation of relative elevation chosen by the reference point of the benchmark. Okay, backside nothing but where we have to take the reading with the help of the leveling staff held that point, that is the benchmark or previously established point before the benchmark or where the benchmark is taken, there you can take when the instrument is set up. The also we call it as an bench backside nothing but establishing starting elevation. You can first a point of elevation of the survey that you can called. And next we call it as on foresight. FS nothing but foresight, that the reading should be taken by with the help of the leveling staff where the point determined. Already we have to determine or nothing but we have to end the instrument station. That point we call it as an foresight. Also we call it as it is used for calculation the difference between the instrument and known another point. Also the foresight you can write it last point of the staff reading, that we call it as an foresight. Next, so we have to convert four bearing to back bearing. The following bearings as given. So these are the four bearings as given. So we need to convert four bearing into back bearing. Okay, four bearing into back bearing. Understood this? This is two condition as given here. Four bearing plus 180 degree is equal to back bearing if it is less than 180 degree. If the bore bearing reading it should be less than 180 degree, so you can use this form. You have to add 180 degree. If the four bearing is more than 180 degree, you have to minus. The four bearing reading is less than 180 degree, you have to add according to this formula. If it is more than 180 degree, you have to minus. So here four bearing as given in the question, 125 degree 15 meter, it is less than 180 degree. So less than 180 degree, we have to use back bearing is equal to four bearing plus 180 degree. This formula we are going to use. So four bearing is 125 degree 15 minutes plus 180 degree will get 305 degree 15. Next four bearing as 3 is given 300 degree. So it is more than 180 degree, but it is near to the work which is near to 360 degree. So we have to do 300 plus 180 degree 480 degree. It should be near work as 360 degree, subtract by 360. So 480 minus 360 if you do, you will get 120 degree. Next four bearing is 180 degree as given. So 180 degree as given, you have to add. So total 360 degree. It is a 360 degree same as 0 degree, nothing but north direction. So back bearing you will get 0 degree north. Next will be an four bearing south 45 degree west. So it is given south 45 degree west, it is equal to 225 degree. Okay, so south is 180 degree and added to 45 degree. Okay, so here you will get four back bearing is equal to 225 degree plus 180 degree is equal to, you will get 406 degree. So it is more than 360 degree. So in that 405 degree minus 360 you will get a 45 degree. So you will get a back bearing of north 45 degree towards east. This will be an answer if they given in the exam. This type of questions they'll ask in the exam. Next question will be a difference between contour intervals and horizontal equivalent. So coming to the definition, contour interval is a vertical distance between the adjacent contour lines on a map or a plan. It is represent elevation of the 2 points. While coming to the horizontal equivalent, horizontal distance between adjacent contour lines, it is located, it will give the horizontal distance between the contour. So unit measurement, coming to the unit measurements, it is measured by the meters, feet as represented by the elevation changes. So it is measured by meters, it is also measured by the meter, feet, and it will represent only horizontal distance. It is elevation, it is an horizontal distance. So coming to the purpose purpose, it is used for indicate the elevation between the contour lines which help you understand the slope of the land. You can see the land slope, and it is represented degree of slope or steepness of the terrain and close to contour, and also it will determine the speedy slope you can determine. And variations, it is a contour intervals is a typically constant throughout the survey area based on the type of map. In a large map and might be in a smaller intervals. In horizontal elevation, which is varies depending upon a steepness and of the slope, it may be hilly sleepy areas and horizontal equivalent smaller areas, flat areas and larger area it will be used. For example, contour interval is 5 meter. Contour line on the map represent 5 meter change of elevation, but in the horizontal equivalent, the steep area, horizontal equivalent between the contour might be 10 meter, but if the area they are going to might taken as 50 meter is 1 is to 10, if they take it will be in 50. 5 it will take, it will be always 5. As it is, they are going to represent. See more information, please subscribe my channel, share and support. So this part C 3 marks questions, all the videos I have, all the question and answers I have made. I am going next videos I am going to upload 5 marks question and answer. Thank you.